Hi dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's topic is very important topic of political science, and that is definition of the Constitution. And you know that Constitution is the base of political science of any state in the world. Now, let us begin our lecture. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks. Constitution may be defined as a collection and compilation of written or unwritten tenets and principles according to which the powers of government, the rights of governed, and the relations between the two are exercised and adjusted. It is aggregate of laws and customs under which the government works or performs. It is collection of legal and non-legal rules which establish and regulate the system of state. The Constitution is the set of rules which directly or indirectly affect the distribution of powers within a state. A Constitution is the system of fundamental political institutions under which whom has power to govern, how it is executed, and what are its limits. Constitution is the fundamental law of the land that creates or establishes the organs of the state, defines their powers, limits their authority, and guarantees the rights of citizens. The basic framework determines who rules and how power is organized within the state. The main function of a constitution is to separate powers and to prevent tyranny. Now, definitions by various renowned famous political philosophers. Number 1, Aristotle in his book The Politics defines a constitution is the arrangement of magistracies in a state, especially the highest of all. Number 2, Thomas Hobbes. Constitution is an artificial agreement by which men authorize a sovereign for peace and security within a state. In his opinion, Constitution is a social contract that gives authority to the state for general good or general welfare. The legitimacy of any constitution comes from the people's consent. J. Rousseau. Constitution is an act of general will, and general will is very important. General will establishing the political body, its powers, and an expression of their collective will of the society. Montesquieu defines in his famous book, The Spirit of Laws, that Constitution is the distribution of power in a state. And you know, American Constitution, US Constitution is mainly written from this philosopher's political philosophy. Dr. Gilchrist. The constitution of a state is that body of rules and laws, written or unwritten, which determines the organization of government and general principles on which these powers are to be exercised. It is inferred or deduced from above definitions that in simple words, Constitution is described as the whole system of state, how to regulate, whom to regulate, how to deal with other pillars and even states of the world. It defines the rights and obligation of people without discrimination. A constitution is to be adaptable to the changing needs of country, otherwise any development, economic, political, social, strategic development of country is hampered or hindered. A state without a constitution is inconceivable, like a ship without captain. You imagine what happened. In the past, the states were ruled by the wishes of kings, individuals, powerful individuals, or military dictators. But in modern era, states are ruled by the established rules and principles of these rules are known as Constitution. Following the establishment of United Nations system after Second World War, states have developed and changed from absolute to democratic rules and values. The human security has assumed importance and the world as a whole stands for the protection of these rules. No any dictator can withstand the onslaught of world public opinion. Even dictators in communist countries could not stand against these pressures and abdicated to the principles of democracy or ruled by majority of the people. The military takeover in former USSR and even southern European countries, communist countries and other countries has to leave the country and face the wrath of people. Wish you good luck and take care of your others. Please subscribe, share with your dear ones.